Hello everybody. Today I am recording this video about the Conolly's Car Show on Carefree Highway in Phoenix, Arizona. So we have the Corvette here and we have the Solstice. We will be showing all of the cars in the car show that I could possibly record and possibly some audio clips. I will be giving you a fair warning right now that some of the audio is going to be loud, so if you're a headphone user, please be advised and enjoy the video.
Short wheelbase? Okay. Oh, four-wheel drum brakes, right?
Shit. Swap.
Yes, so we pull up at 45. Really, they got marked off. So, I mean, some cars that's you pull it after if you want to.
I might drive
20,
by.
I don't need. I tried it.
I believe you.
I've seen this car.
They're on the road.
You've heard it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's my favorite. I'll see you tomorrow.
just big numbers out
Not who I think it is.
Anna, is this your truck?
Yeah. It's driving. Hello.
Hello. So that is all that we had seen there. Me and Anna actually had ended up leaving not long after she got there because she had something to do at 12 and we were there at like 11:40. So that's all for today. And I'll see you at the next car meet.